Hello friends, good morning all of you. Here I am Gadekar Sachin Pandit. Today we are discuss on CH507 organic chemistry, in which we are discuss first chapter polynuclear and heteronuclear aromatic compound. Okay, so last lecture we are discuss on introduction, what are aromatic compounds, what are polynuclear compounds, what are heteronuclear compounds. Also discuss a classification of polynuclear hydrocarbon. Okay, so also discuss a classification of polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbon. Okay, as well as discuss a naphthalene preparation, electrophilic substitution reaction on naphthalene such as nitration reaction, sulfonation, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts reaction, alkylation and acylation. Okay, so today we are discuss on anthracene. Okay, so this is the structure of anthracene. Three benzene rings are fused together. Okay, so its molecular formula is C14H10. Okay, so this is the structure of anthracene. Anthracene, it is a polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon. Okay, so it first present in coal tar near about 0.3 to 3.5%. Okay, so this anthracene was first isolated from coal tar in 1832, and its pioneer first proposed Dumas and Auguste, these two scientists. Okay, so here anthracene numbering first, second, third, fifth, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. First numbering side chain and then middle chain. Okay, so remember that. Okay, these first, second, third, fourth side rings and then second side ring 5, 6, 7, 8 followed by middle ring 9th and 10th position. Okay, so in this position 9th and 10th most reactive. Okay, so alpha we call a alpha position. Okay, and this is the more reactive position. First, second, third, fourth is less reactive as compared to 9th and 10th. Okay, so these are discussed on further. So first, synthesis of anthracene. Okay, so Haworth synthesis, name of the scientist Haworth. Scientist first proposed synthesis method. Okay, so anthracene are prepared from benzene and phthalic anhydride. Okay, so this is the phthalic anhydride. Last lecture we are discussed on synthesis of naphthalene. Naphthalene prepared from benzene and succinic anhydride. Okay, so here anthracenes are prepared from phthalic anhydride. Present benzene heated to form say orthobenzyl benzoic acid. So this COOH group is a benzoic acidic group. This benzoic acid protonated by using H2SO4 to form a cyclization reaction to forms a anthraquinone. Okay, so this anthraquinone reacts with zinc dust. Okay, so last lecture we are discuss on what is the role of zinc oxide. Okay, zinc mercury HCl. So these zinc used as a reducing agent of carbonyl group followed by aromatization, okay, to form say anthracene. Okay, our synthesis of anthracene, these methods, phthalic anhydride reacts with benzene in presence of heat to form say orthobenzoic acid, and these orthobenzoic acid protonated by using H2SO4 to form say anthraquinone. Anthraquinone, two carbonyl groups are present in middle ring. Okay, so these carbonyl groups reduced by using zinc dust to form say anthracene. Okay, so this is the preparation method. Okay, so another method, synthesis of anthracene from thionyl chlorides and benzene. Thionyl chloride reacts with benzene in presence of aluminum trichloride, Lewis acid, to forms again anthraquinone. Okay, and anthraquinone reduce, carbonyl group reduced by using zinc dust to form say anthracene. Okay, so these two methods are most important for anthracene synthesis. Another, reactions of anthracene. So in this is the structure of anthracene, and we name numbering first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and middle ninth and 10th. Okay, so in this position, 9th and 10th more reactive and forms a major product. Okay, if we use as a electrophilic substitution reaction, so these 9th and 10 forms a major product, but 1 and 2, C1 and C2 forms a less stable, okay, least compound. Okay, so now we are discuss on electrophilic substitution reaction. What is the electrophilic substitution reaction? Means these anthracene reacts with electrophile in presence of catalyst to form say such compound, electrophilic compound, such as nitration reaction, sulfonation reaction, chlorination reaction, whatever may be. Means anthracene act as a nucleophile and another electrophile to form say substitution reaction, means electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, so here first nitration reaction, when anthracene treated with HNO3 and acid anhydride to form say electrophile NO2, and these electrophile NO2 reacts with anthracene to form say 9th nitroanthracene and 9,10 dinitroanthracene. It is a least stable. More major compounds is nitroanthracene. Okay, anthracene reacts with HNO3 and acid anhydride to form say 9 nitroanthracene and 9/10 dinitroanthracene. Okay, so 9th nitroanthracene is major. So another reaction, sulfonation reaction. Okay, formation of sulfonic acid anthracene. These anthracene molecules react with H2SO4 in presence of acetic acid to form say anthracene 1 sulfonic acid, anthracene sulfonic acid, or alpha anthracene sulfonic acid, and second is beta anthracene 2 sulfonic acid. Okay, so in these two product, if we use a excess amount of H2SO4 to form say di substituted, such as 1 and 8 anthracene 1,8 disulfonic acids are formed, and another is the beta anthracene 2,7 disulfonic acid. So in this, 1 equivalent to 1 H2SO4 if we use to form say first reaction, but if we use a excess amount of H2SO4 to form say 1,8 disulfonic acid, means disubstitution possible. Okay, and another is the beta anthracene 2,7 disulfonic acid. Okay, so first is the most important, first is the alpha is major product. Second, halogenation reactions on anthracene molecule. Halogenation means substituted on halogen group, halo group, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. Okay, so anthracene react with chlorine to form say addition reaction 9,10 dichloroanthracene, followed by these treated with base NaOH and heat to form say 9th chloroanthracene molecule. Okay, remember this reaction. Anthracene reacts with chlorine to form say first addition reaction 9th and 10 dichloroanthracene and followed by base treatment NaOH heat to form say 9 chloroanthracene. Okay, so next is the acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, alkylation reaction. There are two types, different types of reaction. Okay, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. The two products are possible. Okay, here some mistake. Okay, print mistake. So I am correct in pen. Okay, so anthracene reacts with acyl chloride CH3COCl. CH3COCl, it is a acyl chloride in presence of ethylene dichloride as a solvent. So anthracene reacts with acyl chloride CH3COCl in presence of ethylene dichloride at that time forms a 9-acetyl anthracene. Okay, so here I am represent 9th position. Okay, so another reaction, anthracene reacts with acyl chloride in presence of nitrobenzene, bulky group as a solvent, nitrobenzene, to form say 1-acetylene or alpha-acetylene, here represent 1 position. Okay, so this is the 1 position. Okay, this is the print mistake. Acylation reaction in presence of ethylene dichloride to form say 9-acetylene anthracene molecule, but we use a nitrobenzene to form say 1-acetylene anthracene molecule. Okay, so another reaction we are discuss a heteronuclear aromatic hydrocarbon. Okay, hetero means other than carbon, such as nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur. These heteroatoms are present in hydrocarbon, aromatic hydrocarbon, such as heteronuclear hydrocarbon. They may be pyrrole, furane, thiophane, pyridine, quinoline, isoquinoline, etc. So pyrrole, it is a five-membered cyclic in which 5-member cyclic compound in which present nitrogen atom. Furane, 5-membered ring containing oxygen atom. Thiophane, 5-membered cyclic ring containing sulfur atom. Pyridine, 6-membered cyclic ring containing nitrogen atom. Okay, similarly quinoline is 2 benzene rings, okay, fused together in presence 1 ring containing nitrogen atom. Okay, so these are discussed on later. First, here we discuss heteronuclear aromatic compounds such as pyrrole synthesis. Palnor synthesis. Palnor synthesis. Okay. So these hexane 2,5-dione or acetonyl acetone reacts with amine in presence of high temperature such as 100 degree centigrade temperature. They cyclize to form say 2,5-dimethyl pyrrole. Okay, so this is the pyrrole synthesis method, Palnor synthesis method or pyrrole synthesis method. Okay, so in this method we are synthesis 2,5-dimethyl pyrrole. Okay, so this pyrrole is a colorless liquid, high boiling point such as 131 degree centigrade, and it is a aromatic because of presence cyclic double bond, cyclic conjugated double bond. Follow the Haeckel's rule, 4n plus 2. Okay, so next is the electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, so pyrrole in which two substitution positions, here 2 and 3. Okay, this is the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 2 and 3, there are two different positions. Okay, 2 and 5 is the similar position, 3 and 4 is the similar position. Okay, so electrophilic substitution reaction in which C2 two numbered position is more stable than C3. Okay, so first electrophilic substitution reaction more reactive as a C2 position, okay, than C3. Okay, so here mechanism, electrophilic substitution reaction mechanism, nitrogen lone pair. If nitrogen lone pair is involved to form say 2 and there are more stable form. But second, furane reacts with electrophile, okay, to form say 3 position, but this is the least stable. Okay, first electrophile reacts with pyrrole or furane, thiophane to form say pi complex. Okay, then they sigma complex and they eliminate or proton, release proton to form say substitution and aromatization. Electrophilic substitution reaction of furane and thiophane occurs similar way. Okay, pyrrole, furane and thiophane. Okay, so these three, pyrrole, furane, thiophane, is similar electrophilic substitution reactions are occur in which C2 is more stable and more reactive species, more stable complex are formed than C3. Okay, so first discuss nitration reaction on pyrrole. Okay, pyrrole, it is a 5-member ring containing nitrogen atom. So in this nitration reaction, HNO3 and anhydride, first HNO3 reacts with anhydride to form say acetyl nitrate. It is a electrophile, and these electrophile reacts with pyrrole to form say 2-nitropyrrole. Okay, here pyrrole reacts in presence of HNO3 and acid anhydride to form say 2-nitropyrrole. Okay, second reaction, sulfonation reaction, means SO3H sulfonyl group, sulfonic acid group substituted on pyrrole. When pyrrole reacts with SO3 means oleic acid, okay, SO3 and in presence pyridine at a 110 degree centigrade temperature to form say pyrrole 2 sulfonic acid. Okay, sulfonic acid 2 position. Okay, so this is a electrophilic substitution reaction. Another reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction on pyrrole. Means pyrrole reacts with acid anhydride Ac2O or acyl chloride in presence of AlCl3 to form say 2-acetyl pyrrole. Okay, so this is the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Acyl group substituted on the pyrrole ring, 2 position to form say acetyl pyrrole. Another reaction, halogenation reaction. Okay, pyrrole reacts with halogens such as Cl2, Br2, I2, etc. to give a tetra halo pyrrole. Tetrahalopiyrrole, such as suppose pyrrole reacts with bromine to form say 2, 3, 4, 5 tetrabromopyrrole. Why? Because these bromine ring activate ring more electrophile, so that's why they activate the ring and reactions going on to form say tetra, not stable in mono substitution. Okay, so they form say 2, 3, 4, 5 tetracarbonyl compound. Another reaction, diazo coupling. Diazo means N double bond N attached with pyrrole ring. Okay, so diazo coupling in which pyrrole reacts with diazonium salt C6H5N2Cl in presence of heat to form say phenyl diazonium pyrrole, 2 position. Okay, diazo coupling reaction. Third one is the Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Second one. Okay, here pyrrole reacts with CHCl3 chloroform and KOH to form say 2-formyl pyrrole, means aldehyde conversion. Riemann-Tiemann reaction is nothing but a formation of aldehyde group, formylation reaction. Okay, so pyrrole reacts with chloroform in presence of KOH to form say 2-formyl pyrrole. Okay, so another reaction, reduction reaction in which if pyrrole is treated with nickel in presence of hydrogen at a high temperature, 200 degree centigrade temperature, so addition reaction takes place, means hydrogen added in pyrrole to these 2 double bonds converts to single bond. Okay, pyrrole reacts with nickel hydrogen at a high temperature to form say pyrrolidine. Reduction reaction takes place. Okay, so this is the overall aromatic compound substitution reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction. Today we are discuss anthracene, synthesis of anthracene such as Haworth synthesis, then patholyl chloride and benzene in presence of alkyl, then substitution reaction on anthracene. Now we are discuss a heteronuclear aromatic compound such as pyrrole, furane, thiophane, in which we are discuss a pyrrole in which nitrogen groups present in 5-membered ring. Okay, so synthesis of pyrrole discuss Palnor synthesis. Okay, so then we discuss electrophilic substitution reaction, sulfonation reaction, nitration reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction on pyrrole, then halogenation. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5 tetrabromine bromopyrrole is formed. Okay, so then diazotization reaction, Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Riemann-Tiemann reaction in which 2 formyl pyrroles are formed, and then last we discuss a reduction reaction. Okay, pyrrole reduce to forms a pyrrolidine. Okay, so next reaction, next lecture we are discuss a furan, means 5-membered ring containing oxygen atom, synthesis similar pyrrole synthesis. Okay, synthesis, electrophilic reaction, and then also discuss a thiophene and pyridine. Okay, so now we are stop here. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.